venga para allá. Esto.
Cookie's playing with a boxer named Spike.
Cookie, come.
She still got the leash on?
Ya le está dando más espacio. ya está aprendiendo.
Cookie!
Here, Cookie.
Está ella. Come here, mamá. Come here, mamá. Mira para allá la babia, tú vas.
Siempre va. Por la babia. Spike.
Spike, calm down.
He's big, bro.
Big as fuck. No le gusta comer el cabrón. No, está flaco. Yo lo veo flaco.
No, he's in the right weight. Yeah, you gotta jump out of there soon. So we're somewhere in Haines City. My homegirl got a job yesterday at a taco truck. So we come to support. See how good the tacos is. She talking about tacos for $1. So the only thing, we're in the car now because it's raining. It sucks. So that's the food truck, taco truck. Say what? She at the window? Two tacos and one burrito. Quiero 2 tacos de al pastor. 2.
2 al pastor con todo.
Sí. 2 asados.
¿Todo?
Sí.
Ok.
Y un burrito.
¿Qué tipo de carne?
Steak. Oh, y 3 tacos al pastor.
Y 3 tacos al pastor, separados. ¿Con todo?
Sí.
Pregunta, ¿tienen este burrito con todo también?
Sí.
¿Tienen este guacamole and chips? No, I'm sorry. Alright. ¿Nada más?
Oye, todo.
¿Has visto qué tipo de...?
Uno de mandarina y uno de pineapple. And 2 Pepsis.
¿Nada más?
No.
Tengo 2 de al pastor con todo, 2 de asada con todo, un burrito de asada con todo y 3 al pastor con todo. Y las bebidas. ¿Para qué? Para llevar.
Para ahí.
¿Para qué?
Now we're waiting for the food. And these people don't take credit or any type of card. Just, this kid just busted his house. So we had to go to the 7-Eleven and get cash and come back over here, and now the shit's taking forever. She's taking her break.
Woo!
How's work?
Oh, it's busy as hell.
But it's awesome. I like it. I feel so great. Mira, de verdad. Going back to
No wonder they're a daughter. They're tiny as fuck.
Oh my God, you always have something to say. Mírame yo.
No wonder they're a dollar. They're fucking tiny. They look good though. Right on the fire. Chiles toreados. You should have sat over here so we could. Mini tacos. Oh, she want to take a break.
La salsa, mira, aquí está la verde y la roja. ¿Y qué te dice la salsa que la pediste? Porque lo dejan comer en el break y mandan a llevarme también. Vive en Agua Buena. Me dijeron que la...
So how do you like working here?
So, I like it so far.
What's the name of the place?
It's Tacos, my friend.
Tacos, my friend.
Yes, my friend.
And the food and everything is fresh? Made to order?
Yes, it's to order. Everything is nice and fresh, very clean, very organized, a lot of teamwork.
Is it pricey?
Not at all. Dollar tacos, you cannot beat that.
Yeah.
Tacos a peso, no puedes beat that.
Good shit.
And I get it for free because I work here, so hey.
Yeah. So do they get really busy?
They are actually always, they stay busy. We stay busy. As you can see.
It's always online.
Yes.
Good stuff.
It was raining and everything, and people were still making a line.
And they're open Monday to Monday?
No, they close on Monday.
Oh.
They work Tuesday
to
to
Sunday?
Sunday.
Nice. Good stuff. Well, awesome. We'll definitely be back.
Yeah.
How did you like it?
I think they're too little. Like,
But for $1?
too little. Because we used to pay $1.25 over there for the other ones, and they were big. They were like twice the size.
Right.
But I mean, seasoning wise, I liked it. They were good. They were good.
I give it a 8 out of 10.
But they need a ATM machine or something.
Yeah. They update their whole fucking.
Yeah. Because of them, I bought my soda somewhere else cheaper. Stupid.
Exactly. We were gonna buy 2 Pepsis here, but since we had to go to 7-Eleven to get cash, we bought the drink over there. But yeah, triumphant.